interrupted with the winsqlite3 DLL blocking, Windows OS core workflow. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've analyzed the conflict and I'm ready to show you the safest fix. Before we start the winsqlite3 manual guide, check the description for a professional diagnostic utility. This is the winsqlite3, the Windows-integrated SQLite engine. It manages the unmanaged orchestration of localized database data links, acting as the foundational storage manifest for modern system apps. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. This error usually indicates that the Windows OS core directory is damaged or incompletely installed. I recommend you download and reinstall the official version of Windows OS core to replace specific required files, such as winsqlite3 DLL. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the winsqlite3 file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. Because the reboot didn't resolve the integrity issue, we need to force Windows to rebuild its master file copies. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism space /online space /cleanup dash image space / restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, bypasses local file errors by pulling a certified master copy of the system image to replace files that SFC is unable to repair. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. Be highly suspicious of any site that recommends disabling your endpoint protection to install winsqlite3 DLL, as this is a standard red flag for malicious software injection. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. The link below provides access to a professional maintenance resource for reviewing winsqlite3 related system data. Thank you for trusting us with your system repair today. For more configuration tips and winsqlite3 error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.